Hey, welcome to the Afro Ambient Lounge. What you're about to hear, it's not just a song, it's a moment. So exhale, press play, and let it find you. And if the vibe hits, go ahead and subscribe. We've got more where this came from. Peace.
Afro Ambient Music.
Oh, you're silent, said everything I was too afraid to hear. I check my phone like a ritual, waiting on words that never came. I scroll through memories frozen still, like they could somehow ease the pain. You didn't slam my door, just faded. No fire, no final fight. And now I'm trapped in quiet echoes, where your voice used to light the night. The spaces where love used to be. Your silence was loud, like thunder in a sacred space. No goodbye, no sound, just echoes I still chase. You vanished like a breath, but left the room I can't replace. Your silence was loud, and I still hear it. Like I'm digging through the ash. Was it me or just your timing? Why do ghosts never crash? You taught me how to listen close. Now I can't unhear the voice. Every quiet hour since you left just reminds me what you destroyed.